Hi guys, welcome to Moneyline Tips. I have a four odds for you today. Total of three matches is a straight winning or a straight win for home and away. So let's dive in. Our first game today is in European Nation Cup qualifier where Belgium is taking on Austria, and our second game is in Sweden Division 2 where Nordic United is taking on Hammarby Tarang FF, and then the third game is in same Sweden Division 2 Group A where IFK Uppsala is taking on FC Qt, and our prediction is away team win. So if you combine these three games together, I give you a total of 4.1. So I'm going to stake my own game now. Then you can as well use the booking code if you are in Nigeria or if you are using Sportybet in your own country. But remember to change the country to Nigeria before you insert the booking code. Always like this video, is very important you like this video and stay brave. So this is the booking code. That's the booking code. Is a F0CA 444. So that is it. Always remember to bet responsibly. Thanks.